All of you, dear students. This is the tick of the correct answer. Okay, so the question is the mountains differ from the hills in terms of, so basically in terms of elevation. So as you know about the mountains differ from the hills in terms of elevation. Okay, second, glaciers are found in, so obviously in mountains. So you know about glaciers कहाँ मिलते हैं? You will find in the mountains, not in the plains and not in the plateaus. And the Deccan Plateau, Deccan Plateau is located in, Deccan Plateau is the oldest plateau in India. So basically, this is found in India. So the river Yangtze flows in China. Okay, an important mountain range of Europe is Alps. So this is important mountain range. Okay, so this is the correct choose the correct answer, and we will see the fill in the blanks. So in this fill in the blanks, you will see key dot is an unbroken flat or a low level line. So this is plain. So lower level land and unbroken flat. So flat कौन सा होता है? Plains areas है. Okay. The Himalayas and the Alps are example of कि young fold types of mountains. So basically these are young fold mountains. Dot areas are rich in mineral deposit. So basically plateaus are rich in minerals deposit. Okay, and the range is line of mountains. So basically you know about the range is line. So this is called mountains की जो range है that we call uh, range of the mountain. Okay, and last, the dotted areas are most productive for farming. So this is plain areas are most productive for farming. Okay, so the this is the कि plain है, range है, plateau है. So it is very common thing which can you read or which can you understand. Okay, after we will see some important uh, extra very short and extra short. Okay, so basically this is what are the features of young fold mountains. So you know about the features of young fold mountains. They have rugged relief and high conical peak. So basically this is high conical peak and young fold mountains we have discussed in early uh, in the chapter, and past few minutes we have discussed about young fold mountains. Okay, what is special with Mauna Kea in the Pacific Ocean? So basically Pacific Ocean, this is Mount Everest being 1205-meter high. Okay, give an example of Block Mountain. So Rhine Valley, you will know about the Block Mountain ka, and Vosges Mountains in Europe. So this is the Block Mountain. This is the Block Mountains example. And give examples of volcanic mountains. So Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Fujiyama in Japan. Okay, Kilimanjaro, South Africa. So this is volcanic mountain. Okay, and these four are okay, first, second, third, and fourth. These are for very short, and after we will see some important questions of very short. I'm sorry, short question answer. So you will do these short question answer. Okay, what are block mountains? So basically, that block mountains are created a very large area broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are known as frost and lower blocked are carbon. So basically this is, as I told you, that जो upper part है that we called जो broken part है vertically uplifted जो है that we call host, इसे host कहते हैं, and that we this part जो small part है that we call garden. So this is the the Rhine Valley in the Vosges mountain in Europe. This is the example of block mountain. And how are plateaus useful for man? So such of rich minerals are there. And many of the mining areas in the world are located in the plateaus regions. For example, the African plateau is famous for gold or diamond mining. So basically, this is plateaus are useful to mine, and the Sultanatpur plateau in the India has huge reserves of iron, coal, and manganese. So this is the key plateaus useful for mine. But we are using these plateaus, plains, and mountains, but we have to we have to know that we are using for it's for own purpose. It is it is basically we have to use those things for a proper manner, because these are limited sources in the world. And if their sources have end, so we have an other sources. Okay, so we have to use uh, these sources very carefully, and जहाँ पर ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर उसका यूज करना चाहिए. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So this is second and third question. Will you note down on your notebook in note down your own notebook, second or third. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Have a nice day.